Tired of fast food lunches and that midday slump? Let's change that with 5 easy Western-style weight loss lunches. Today I'll show you 5 simple, healthy Western lunches that are perfect for busy schedules and weight loss. These aren't boring salads. They're packed with flavor, super satisfying, and will keep you energized all afternoon. Grab your apron or take some notes. Your lunch routine is about to get a seriously yummy upgrade. First up, let's dive into a healthy twist on a timeless favorite, the grilled chicken Caesar wrap. This isn't just any wrap, it's a flavor-packed, protein-rich meal that's perfect for busy days, meal prepping, or when you're simply craving something fresh and satisfying. Whether you're looking for a quick lunch to take to work, a post-workout meal, or a nutritious option for the whole family, this wrap checks all the boxes. High in protein, super satisfying, and perfect for a grab-and-go lunch, this wrap is designed to keep you full and energized throughout the day. It's a fantastic alternative to heavy, carb-loaded sandwiches, and it's loaded with fresh ingredients that nourish your body and delight your taste buds. Here's what you'll need to make this ultimate wrap. Start with a juicy grilled chicken breast, crisp romaine lettuce for that signature crunch, a wholesome whole wheat tortilla to wrap it all up, and a generous sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. These simple ingredients come together to create a meal that's both classic and modern, with a healthy twist. But what really sets this wrap apart is the homemade Greek yogurt Caesar dressing. By swapping out heavy mayonnaise for creamy Greek yogurt, you get all the tangy, savory flavor you love, but with a lighter, protein-packed base that's better for you. To make the dressing, simply combine Greek yogurt, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for brightness, a spoonful of Dijon mustard for a little kick, minced garlic for depth, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and creamy. This dressing is so good you'll want to use it on salads as a dip or even as a spread for other sandwiches. Next, let's talk about the chicken. Season your chicken breast with your favorite herbs and spices. Think garlic powder, paprika, a touch of olive oil, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Grill it until it's perfectly cooked and juicy, then let it rest for a few minutes to lock in all those delicious juices. Once it's rested, slice it into thin strips so it's easy to layer in your wrap. While the chicken is resting, chop up your romaine lettuce and toss it with a bit of the homemade dressing. This step ensures every bite is packed with flavor and that classic Caesar creaminess. The crisp lettuce pairs perfectly with the warm, savory chicken. Now it's time to assemble. Warm your whole wheat tortilla slightly so it's pliable and easy to roll. Spread a thin layer of the Greek yogurt Caesar dressing over the surface, then add the dressed romaine lettuce, followed by the sliced grilled chicken. Layering the ingredients this way ensures every bite is balanced and delicious. Don't forget the Parmesan. Freshly grated Parmesan cheese adds that unmistakable Caesar flavor and a touch of salty richness. Sprinkle it generously over the chicken for the ultimate finishing touch. To wrap it up, fold in the sides of the tortilla, then roll it up tightly from the bottom, making sure all the delicious fillings are tucked inside. This technique keeps everything together and makes it easy to eat on the go. Slice your wrap in half for a beautiful cross-section that shows off all those layers, or wrap it in parchment paper for a convenient, portable lunch. It's perfect for meal prepping. Just make a few ahead of time and store them in the fridge for a quick grab-and-go option. This wrap is all about texture and flavor. Warm, juicy chicken, crisp lettuce, creamy, tangy dressing, and the nutty bite of Parmesan. Every mouthful is a satisfying mix of freshness and comfort. For even more convenience, prep your chicken and dressing ahead of time. Store them separately in the fridge, and when you're ready, just assemble your wrap in minutes. This makes it easy to stick to your healthy eating goals even on your busiest days. This recipe is also great for sharing. Make a platter of wraps for a picnic, a family lunch, or a casual get-together. Everyone will love the fresh flavors and satisfying textures, and you'll love how easy it is to prepare. It's convenient, delicious, and helps you stay on track with your health goals. Plus, it's so tasty, you'll actually look forward to lunchtime. No more energy crashes or heavy, sluggish feelings, just pure, delicious fuel to power you through your day. This wrap is proof that healthy eating can be both easy and incredibly satisfying. Give this recipe a try and discover just how simple and enjoyable healthy eating can be. With a little prep and a few fresh ingredients, you'll have a meal that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Ready for the next recipe? Let's keep the healthy lunch inspiration going. Next up, we have the energizing quinoa veggie bowl with avocado, a vibrant, nutrient-packed lunch that's as beautiful as it is delicious. This bowl is a feast for the eyes and the body, loaded with fresh, colorful vegetables and wholesome grains. It's the perfect midday meal to keep you feeling light, satisfied, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Not only does it taste amazing, but it also keeps you full and focused for hours, thanks to its balanced combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Whether you're powering through a busy workday or need a post-workout boost, this bowl has you covered. At the heart of this bowl is quinoa, a true superfood. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. It's also packed with fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and supports healthy digestion. Plus, it's naturally gluten-free, making it a great option for almost everyone. To prepare the quinoa, simply rinse it under cold water, then cook it with water or, for extra flavor, use a low-sodium vegetable broth. Let it simmer until the grains are fluffy and tender, absorbing all that delicious flavor. While the quinoa cooks, roast sweet potato cubes tossed with olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a sprinkle of paprika until they're golden and tender. The sweet potatoes add a natural sweetness and a boost of vitamin A. Meanwhile, slice up some crisp bell peppers for a pop of color and crunch. Lightly steam fresh broccoli florets to preserve their crunch and vibrant green color. Steaming helps retain their vitamins and minerals, making them a powerhouse addition to your bowl. You can also add other veggies you love. Think cherry tomatoes, shredded carrots, or even some leafy greens. Next, slice a perfectly ripe avocado. Avocado brings healthy fats and a creamy texture that ties all the ingredients together. To assemble, start with a generous scoop of quinoa as your base, then arrange the roasted sweet potatoes, sliced bell peppers, steamed broccoli, and creamy avocado in sections for a beautiful presentation. For an extra layer of crunch and nutrition, sprinkle pumpkin or sunflower seeds over the top. These seeds are rich in minerals like magnesium and zinc, and they add a satisfying bite to every forkful. Finish your bowl with a drizzle of fresh lime juice and a splash of extra virgin olive oil. The lime juice brightens up the flavors, while the olive oil adds a subtle richness. You can also add a pinch of sea salt and cracked black pepper to taste, or even a sprinkle of chili flakes if you like a little heat. Every bite is a delightful mix of flavors and textures: nutty quinoa, sweet roasted potatoes, crisp peppers, tender broccoli, and creamy avocado, all brought together with zesty lime and crunchy seeds. It's a meal that feels indulgent, but is actually incredibly nourishing. Here's a meal prep tip. Cook a big batch of quinoa and roast a tray of veggies at the start of the week. Store them in airtight containers in the fridge, so you can quickly assemble a fresh, healthy bowl each day without any hassle. When you're ready to eat, just layer your ingredients, add your toppings, and enjoy a restaurant-quality meal at home in minutes. It's a great way to save time and stay on track with your healthy eating goals. This energizing quinoa veggie bowl proves that eating well doesn't have to be complicated. With just a little prep, you can enjoy a meal that's simple, efficient, and bursting with flavor and nutrition. Give this bowl a try and feel the difference in your energy, focus, and overall well-being. Eating healthy can be easy, delicious, and truly satisfying. Craving something warm and comforting? Sometimes all you need is a simple homemade meal that feels like a hug in sandwich form. Whether it's a chilly afternoon or you're just looking for a quick pick-me-up, a panini can be the perfect answer. Today let's make a turkey and spinach panini that's not only delicious but also healthy and incredibly easy to prepare. Try this turkey and spinach panini. Cheesy, satisfying, and ready in under 10 minutes. It's the kind of meal that brings together the best of both worlds, comfort and nutrition. For this recipe, you'll need lean turkey breast, fresh baby spinach, creamy provolone cheese, and hearty whole grain bread for extra fiber and a nutty flavor. Whole grain bread not only adds texture but also keeps you fuller for longer, making this panini a great option for lunch or even a light dinner. Start by spreading a thin layer of light mayo or hummus on one slice of bread. This adds a creamy base and a subtle tang while keeping things light. If you want to switch things up, try using a flavored hummus or even a bit of Dijon mustard for a little kick. Next, layer on slices of turkey breast, a big handful of fresh spinach, and a generous slice of provolone cheese. The spinach will wilt slightly as the panini grills, adding a pop of color and a boost of vitamins. The provolone melts beautifully, binding everything together with gooey goodness. Top it all off with the second slice of bread, pressing down gently to keep the fillings in place. This step is key for that classic panini shape and ensures every bite is packed with flavor. Now, it's time to grill. Place your sandwich in a preheated panini press or a hot skillet. If you don't have a panini press, just use a heavy pan to press down on the sandwich as it cooks. This helps create that irresistible crispy crust and those signature grill marks. Grill until the bread is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. The aroma of toasting bread and melting cheese will fill your kitchen, making it hard to wait. Let the panini rest for a minute or two after grilling. This helps the cheese set slightly and makes slicing easier. Then slice your panini diagonally for that classic cafe-style presentation. The cross-section reveals layers of savory turkey, wilted spinach and gooey cheese, all tucked between perfectly toasted bread. The result? Melty cheese, savory turkey, and tender spinach in every bite. Each mouthful is a blend of textures and flavors, crunchy, creamy, and just a little bit tangy from the spread. It's comfort food made healthy and fast, so you can enjoy a satisfying meal without any guilt. Pair it with a simple side salad or a cup of soup for a complete, balanced lunch or dinner. Perfect for busy days when you want something special without the fuss. In just a few minutes, you'll have a homemade panini that's warm, filling, and sure to brighten your day. Give it a try and savor the cozy comfort of this quick and easy turkey and spinach panini. Elevate your lunch with a salmon and roasted veggie plate, nutritious, elegant, and easy. Salmon is loaded with protein and omega-3s for brain and heart health. Season a thick salmon fillet with olive oil, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. On a baking sheet, toss asparagus and cherry tomatoes with olive oil, salt, and herbs. Place salmon and veggies on the same sheet for easy cleanup. Roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 12-15 minutes until salmon flakes and veggies are tender. Plate the salmon with roasted veggies, the colors are stunning. Finish with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. This meal is satisfying, energizing, and feels like a treat. It's a restaurant-quality lunch you can make at home, supporting your health goals. Last up, a Mediterranean chickpea salad, fresh, vibrant, and filling. Use canned chickpeas for convenience. Add diced cucumber, tomatoes, and red onion for crunch and flavor. Toss in Kalamata olives and crumbled feta for a briny, creamy kick. For the dressing, whisk olive oil, lemon juice, red wine vinegar, oregano, salt, and pepper. Combine all ingredients in a bowl and toss with the dressing. Let it marinate for 30 minutes for even more flavor. Serve as is, over greens, or stuffed in a pita. This salad is light, energizing, and perfect for meal prep. Plant-based, protein-packed, and bursting with Mediterranean flavor. That's it. 5 quick, tasty, and healthy Western-style lunches to transform your midday meal. These recipes are fast, delicious, and perfect for weight loss. I hope you're inspired to ditch unhealthy lunches and try these at home. Like, subscribe, and share your creations. Happy cooking!